Lucas and Sacha Coenen, Team Belgium. First, we'll start off with you, Lucas. This was your rookie year in the MXGP class. Great year, multiple moto wins, several overall wins. How did your performance compare to your expectations this year in the championship?
It wasn't bad at all, because when you get second in your rookie season, already good, but you want to win, that's for sure. But before Argentina, I had some big trouble with a physical problem, so I got to go through this. And first of all, we were not thinking I was going to race Argentina at all in the first 3 GPs, so I managed to race them with a lot of pain, of course, but I saved some good points and just learned some things on myself riding-wise. So after that, I could feel better and better week out and week in. So, felt better and just started winning, and doing consistency was there. So, I can be happy. Learned a lot of things. So, yeah, good year.
And then coming into this weekend, obviously this is your first year doing Motocross of Nations on a 450. Last year, unfortunately, you didn't make it through the first moto before a shoulder injury, but how do you feel coming into this year racing in the MXGP class on a 450?
Last year was also good, because I think a lot of people remember what I did with 250, like coming from the back to the front. So that was quite impressive. Was a fun ride. Didn't end up how we wanted, but people still remember how I rode. So that's part of it. And now, with 450, biggest class and a lot of good riders this year also in the MXGP class. So will be a fun one.
With the lineup that we have in the MXGP class this year, where do you put yourself? Do you give yourself a realistic shot at winning a moto or both motos in the MXGP class, or as far as the overall classification concerns?
Honestly, I don't know. I just want to see how the track is. Just get a good feeling on the track before the motos on Saturday, quali moto for the start. But of course Sunday I will get better and better. So I'm just looking forward to get a battle with all those other guys like Eli, like Jet, and will be a fun one. Everybody mixed up together will be sick.
All right, then Sacha, this looked like an improvement from last year as far as your performance was concerned. A lot of hole shots, more moto wins, overall wins. How did you value your performance this year in the championship?
Yeah, it was better than last year. Let's say had some good results end of the season. Did a lot of podiums, and we were really consistent at the end of the season, so that was good. And we finished on a good race, so that was good. And I'm really motivated for tomorrow also to see what we can do with MX2 between the 450s. And I just want 2 good stars, and then we can do on normal race.
As far as your motos are concerned for Sunday, is there any talk right now of lining you up on the inside for the gate picks?
For me, I don't know now. So I would see on Sunday what we can choose, if the inside is more soft or the outside more hard. I just hope that I would try to take a whole shot between the 450s. Would be difficult because my brother is really strong in the starts. We saw it on training, so we just do our best and do the 2 really good motos.
Then, as far as the MX2 class is concerned, where do you rate yourself? Just on paper, obviously, against everybody else, as far as where your finishes would be in the MX2 class this weekend?
I think I can win it. So